going to try to be audible. Audible, right? I will make a lot of noise. So welcome to Vince Chat Labs. This is what we do each and every time, each and every week, and it's about display, consistency, and knowledge, right? So welcome everyone who is new in our Telegram our channel. We got a YouTube channel also, so we don't do much. Yeah, our strategy is not complicated. Yeah, it's a very simple thing, by the way, but the right information. Yeah. So I would like today. I think I'm going to make it a little short. Not, I won't uh, get deep in some stuff, but I will expose the most important ones. And also, I would like us to, like we always do, we have to backtest what we did. We have to go back and revise what we did the whole week, right? So, as you remember, this week, whereby now it is kutoka jana, the Friday hii imepita. So, it's good for me to mention the date. We had a buyers whereby we got our buyers. Our buyers delayed till Monday. So on Tuesday, that's the time we had the buyers. But we have no issue with Mondays because most likely Mondays we don't trade. Maybe that trade is a continuation of our previous week. Okay. So it might happen that on Friday, like the NFP, did some stuff, right? Uh, like now on Audi USD, we were looking for buys after NFP, right? So I had predicted the NFP, but and also we had our time zone to look for entry, but we failed. One of our confirmation did not confirm, so we did not take the distribution phase of the price. So later I confirmed and I went back and checked, and I will show that. So today I would like us to today it's on 7th, 7th, no, yeah, today it's on 7th. December, right? So 2024. Um, I do like sometimes talking about this forex because we've started this forex long time, and also not much for you to be you have a lot of time in this. I took a lot of time because I had invested a lot in it to seek for the knowledge. Someone comes, you pay $500. You find that a person is showing you support and resistance, and there's inside information that you need to go for, right? So it took me time. I've invested a lot. I've paid up to $6,000. I've started this 2016. These binary bots you're doing and whatever things we did long time ago. Huh? And we became agents of Deriv. That time was binary.com. And there was slit to flow. So we have even trading was not important. So also that helped me to go further deep, dig down inside these things about forex, so that I can get the right information. And I want to assure you that's something that will never change. So it doesn't matter you have got money for mentorship or if you don't have. I don't call my staff mentorship. I call it for someone who is interested and someone who knows what is he or she is looking for. Because guys, I don't discuss about the cost. I invest a lot of time, and if there are people in my channel, my groups, they know how I do my things. I take time, I visit, you visit, we do online. I make sure you start these information things. Then it is my time. So it costs you what you pay for, maybe it's for the time and the information, because even now the weekly buyers, like from here, this is the only place you'll get the weekly buyers with information from data, right? It's not from analysis. Technical analysis will lie to you, right? So you see, I have the information, like I'm bullish on like GBPUSD, but there are some things that I have to confirm. There are some information, there's data that I have to confirm. Like I'm saying, we failed to get the distribution in face of the Audi because the things changed. Anything can change, but there's some things that we use to tell us it is the right time, right? So I would like to start. I'm going to check maybe GBPUSD, GBPJPY, and GBPAUD maybe. Then I will, because we failed to get the entry for Audi USD, I will go there and explain why. But and I show you something else that maybe that one even I've never showed anybody. I will show you something also, because I went back and I got some information whereby there's a reason why that failed kept happen. So from my strategy, also you are safe. So if you don't see something, this confirmation that you all build as to bring a good conference, a good entry, and a good trade. So if you miss one, it is what it is. So I will remove everything, okay, so that we can start. Guys, let's follow the price. What I'm doing here, this is something even can help you without even my mentorship, right? I'm telling you guys, I'm exposing a lot here. So kindly follow my video. Just do what I'm doing. Take time, be patient. Don't come in rush in this forex market. Hey, I would like to make Christmas money. Oh, next year I would like to be rich. No, no, don't do that. Just as you do your things, take your time, go watch the video. These are not the normal videos people are posting YouTube to make money with. This is educational video. This is something that at maybe I know someone can come up and put down those videos because maybe they're exposing some information. Yeah. Someone was hitting me yesterday. I told them directly, I'm bullish. I'm expecting NFP, a weak dollar. Straight. We did not get any wink. Market bar bought. I will show it. Audi USD. I posted. And I explained in my video. And go back and watch the video that I released yesterday before NFP. Market did what I said. If market goes and collects this liquidity before, I'm waiting for, if that happens, I'm going straight. Full margin. That's what happened, right? Then later, we had also to just, you have money in your pocket, man, right? I will show everything and why price went to that level and came back, changed to the to be able to sell later. Okay, so let's start. We have to go for the weekly and see what is there. So we know we bullish on GBPUSD, whereby these buyers came on on Tuesday, Monday at night. So our buyers delayed, but did not affect us. So we're going to use it like we got it on Tuesday. So we use our market like always. So we cannot analyze the chart without the buyers, right? So let's go. We have to check what we have. We have to go and check what we have here. So I was bullish. I care less. I care less about the other things. So this, in my mind, I know it is a fair value gap. Okay, I know that this is a fair value gap, right? And that's a weekly one. Yeah. So I don't need, so this is a weekly fair value gap. Okay. So price was supposed to go there, and the previous week price went inside there. So this week we were expecting this market to dump, but the data came to be bullish. I would like guys to show you something. I think now you are getting it. Can you see? We have the fair value gap. So guys, they were expecting to sell. So seriously, but what that happened, the most strongest momentum was bullish. So let's go to lower time frame. So it's what I'm just using what I can see. Yeah, I'm not thinking, right? So I know something from there. I can put something like VEVG. Let me do a small one because yeah, like that. So a daily, sorry. So after we got the weekly, so we go for daily and see what we have there. So I'm coming, I would like to go point by point. Look here. This looks. Let me change the color. Let me do blue, right? So I love very neat things. So this let's say the Friday, Tuesday. So this was the previous week, whereby this was on Fridays, right? Okay. So we did not had anything on Monday because we had no buyers because the data delayed, right? So on Monday, I checked the chart and I saw all this. Okay. There's something that's supposed to be seen here. What's going on with this thing? Yeah. Where is this coming from? A minute. It's boring. Now, on daily, what I can see this is a drop. We have a Viva lookup, right? So on Monday, price tapped our Viva lookup, whereby it is a daily Viva lookup, bullish one, straight, yeah, FVG, D. For now I write it that way because I'm training you. When I draw them without or even writing, I know them because I've been here and doing these things. So let me do something here to continue. So sorry about that. Um, so we had this Viva lookup whereby it's a bullish Viva lookup. There's a lot of liquidity at this level. Then Monday, price came inside and also rejected. Okay. So on Tuesday, remember what we do, guys? After we confirm that, we have to look for buyers. That is, we were supposed to look for buyers. So we assume this is the weekly low formed. Why? This is a big range also, and there's a reaction at bottom here. Okay. So on Monday, we start looking for the what? For the on Tuesday, we look for buys, right? So let's see if there was something on Tuesday whereby let's see what we have at H4. Okay, cannot skip. We cannot skip. So now it is on a Monday, we confirmed. So on Tuesday, we see if we have something that can help us go bullish, right? Right? So what do we see here? We see nothing apart from the previous day's low. And this wink, this tells us there's a lot of liquidity at this zone. Okay. So already we've confirmed, we have some confirmation. So because we have nothing left other than the previous day's low, whereby this is a previous, I won't do much on it, but I will explain here. This is a Monday's low. So we go now to M15 and wait to see if we can get our entry on Tuesday. Yes. Okay. Present time. Okay. So what can we see here? Allow time frames. So we expect price because we bullish on Tuesday. We are expecting price to open. Guys, we bullish. Open, low, high, close. Right? So we wake up in the morning, whereby we wake up at nitakuja. We wake up, we were sleeping, price opened, yes, going down. Oh, nice. So what do we have here? This is a Viva lookup. Price went up again. So now, if maybe this I can consider. This is a favor lookup, but for now, no. So we cannot. Let's follow the price there until we get there. So Let's see what happened. So we open, this is the saa nne iko wapi, because of the New York, the Asian and London overlap. Saa nne iko wapi? Saa nne ndio hiyo hapo. Okay. Na tena mpaka saa kumi, si saa kumi. Okay. So saa kumi na moja. This is just about session. The reason why nautumia saa kumi hapa, don't get confused, it's about session. These are just about session. Hii si entry model kwanza, it's about session. So sisi tunaingia trend zetu on saa tano. Tuseme saa tano. If there's news, tunaingia mapema. There's no news, tuingia mapema. If there's news, tunangoja. So I don't think we had news. I don't think so. Okay. I don't think so. So saa tano we had this fair value gap. Okay. We had this fair value gap. Okay. But there's a software that we use to confirm, because everything is recorded in my mind. We had this fair value gap. I was supposed to go bullish, but I did not get a good confirmation on it. Okay. Right here, we not get it. So saa nne also we had this fair value gap. Okay, so I was supposed to enter here, so price did not come back there. Okay, this is saa nne. We cannot do more before saa nne, so we did not get any entry here. And also from the price and whatever was happening in the market did not form in our software for the confirmation. Guys, you know, those have been in my mentorship, they know the softwares we use to confirm. So there was no confirmation at that point. So we waited. If we fail to get it during London, we go to New York session, whereby this is the sessions now, right? I would like to be clear here. Yeah? I would like to be clear, right? When price fails to behave, and you can see price went down, yeah, opened low, then kind of distributing, kind of moving with impulse move. So that tells us there's something funny. So we had, oh yes, we had to look for the liquidity that is the new liquidity, whereby it's the liquidity that is London lows and the Asian lows, right? So our entry was also determined by if the market comes for this liquidity, right? Right? Because I'm 100% sure price fails with a reason to behave, fails to behave with a good reason. Okay, so this is what we had. So with from my guys who have my mentorship, they don't have to strain about this. It is automatic. Eh? The software clears everything here, right? Software clears everything. So I'm doing this step by step, because if anyone is interested, the mentorship, these are things that we'll be going through. Yeah. So price was during this time, our entry happens at, if there's news, we wait after the news, immediately after the news, the 30 minutes, the 15 minutes between the after the news, or the next hour. If it is saa kumi, news kwa within saa kumi hour, tunafanya entry zetu kwa saa kumi na moja. Kama sio hivyo, saa kumi tunaanzana na wao mbio mbaya, right? So price from here, I think there was no news. I'm trying to remember. I'm not sure. Not so sure. So this is a saa kumi. Okay. So this was the low. And you can see this is the London low. Then price changed going up. Okay. So this tells us that at least market is playing to do something, to collect enough liquidity so that can go for the next buy side liquidity, from the low sell side liquidity to buy side liquidity, right? So price did it. Okay, saa kumi na moja pap, right? So I was waiting to see price taking this low. or else this, and it did. It went down. We took it like the way I was explained. Yes, I did the video for about the NFP. It's the same thing. That's the reason why you heard me saying, if price comes at this point, I'm going bullish. I'm going full market. Good to buy the news, right? It's the same thing. The same thing. So I'm saying it's good for you to go and revise and go back to that video so and combine with this one. So price took the low, right? So immediately after price took this low, okay, after price took this low, I went down to my minute three. So I'm explaining what I did and how I spot this entries. Okay, I went down. Even I went down back even to minute one, but I will use minute three and five. So because I would like to show guys, this thing is very it's hidden. So price took this low and in good luck took the other one, right? The Asian and the London. So okay, I can write it. Let me write London to London. I'm a London liquidity and this is Asian. So price started going up. Okay. Can you see this? Have ever look up? Guys, present time. Okay. Look here. I know some people, guys, you remember our strategy? Okay. Present time. Saa moja hata iko mbali sana. Then our what? Our entry was formed before our time ended. So price met with time, and that was our entry. That was the entry straight. No wastage of time. Yeah. Stop loss. This is very small. Even if you are risking, even if you are just as that funny, that's useless risk taker, you know, you care less. Guys, this is very small. Take just $50 account. Even do full margin. This will take only $10, $20, some or 15. And this price will give you double your account. Okay. So we do take our take profit at the buy side liquidity. Like I said, if price goes 1:3, get out. So let me see our entries. So you see, this was so nice, man. Look at this. 1:4, my friend. That's a lot of money. So if your full margin at $50, that's times three. Give it times three. You are at almost $200. Huh? So this is what yeah, something that you're sure of. So even if you start with your small amount that you have in your account, like you decide that with this strategy, you will be using $20 as your investment. You have $100, and every time you are going an entry, you're going $30. For $30, the risk you can do for 0.01 for either GBPUSD, you can do for 8 positions. So you can go 6 positions, leave two, at least for the market to play. Then you get 1:4, 1:5. Yeah, that's very serious. That's very serious. So this was the entry. Then we still bullish. And guys, remember, each and every time you take an entry, remember you have to give price time to play, right? And like we always do, go back to your higher time frames, right? So let me remove this one. I will lock the rest. Very important. Price and time. So we we did what we did on on Monday, on Tuesday. This was entry on Tuesday. So on Wednesday, what do we have here? Okay, when we go to the we check, we don't have to check the weekly because we're done with the weekly already. We reacted. Okay, so let's see if we have something. Like always, price will follow the steps And these steps, they are the same steps that we analyze the chart, start analyzing the chart with. Price will look for the liquidity and point of interest so that it can react from there, so that you can get your entry. So let's go now. Another one. What we have on daily, we have previous day's low, right? Another previous daily low. So nothing else. Okay. So we go down to hourly and see what we have there. So now I will remove some of these drawings because I don't need them. So this is on Tuesday's low. Okay. Okay. So something I did not mention here. Wait a minute. I remember. I've remembered something. I've remembered something. I remembered something here. So the reason why we took this GBPUSD, our software confirmed that these guys are still good. They are good to get the entry. Okay. So you can see this was the only distribution phase. And guys, I would like to advise on something. When you take a trade and you find that price is not moving, there's a problem. So as you can see, how long did we take? Almost 2 hours. Not even 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Then you are at your TP, right? So price moves fast at those levels because those also institutions, they are still at at the same level with you, because I am an institutional trader, uh, have combined the data information with accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So let's now check what we have at H4, because now we want to go. We're still bullish, right? So this is Tuesday's low, right? So, and when we check a daily, we can see that's what we have, because this order block is already mitigated, right? So what do we have? This. Then we don't have to strain much. I don't like doing my things at H1. So I was expecting to see price at that level, because that's the most. Like, guys, this is the point. This price prints itself and tells you where it's going. If it fails to, the small knowledge you have, like from Vince chart lamps, the small knowledge you have, just apply it. If you don't see that, leave it. And if you think it's a joke, try it. Right? So I would like to come out here clear now. Again, look here, guys, very careful. This was our point of interest. Okay. Now, at M5:15, I was waiting to see price here, right? So let's see what happened. Price opened, right? So we had news, I remember, for GBP at this point. Okay. We did this by day together. I gave the signal, right? And everything aligned. Our software confirmed everything. We were waiting just present time. News to happen, then we enter. Even I said, news will come, then we're going to enter. Bullish, and we did it, right? So this is the same thing. Here, this is the London. So there's this low. So look here. This is the Asian low, okay? This is the Asian low, okay? So we had to go for this liquidity, okay? So that gave me more confidence on it. This is previous daily low, previous daily low. Guys, where is the liquidity lies there. So price did it without waste of time. This was the entry. So M5 also has it, okay? So I decided just to go like this because it's things were very, 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 the things were very, very, very fast here. during that news time. So let me do this. This is M5. So price took, then came to our position. We wait for entry. The first candlestick closed bullish, right? So mitigation of block. So let's see what we have a lower time frame. You know, when you got the entry, when you got your your confirmation met, you can even take entry at the peak, right? So I saw this price doing this, closed bullish here, okay, and I went to minute one. Guys, this was tough. By the my entry, if you can check, my entry was very, 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 it was a sniper one. Okay. But I will show also the other people where they got in, everything, what they did. Okay. I will show. So I will show my part, then I'll go back and show the others entries. Okay. So this is what happened. Price, you remember I said there was this bearish candlestick and closed bullish. That candlestick, that was on minute 3. They left this fair value gap. See here, right? That is the fair value gap. Right? I do mentorship of everything here. One-on-one, then later we do the mentorship online. So that was our entry. So I can mark my entry, the stop loss below there. Okay, with my Fibonacci. So I have to check my Fibonacci standard deviation because it's very important to me. My entry was here. So don't do what I'm doing here. Hmm? Hmm. If you don't attend my sessions, don't force what is not possible. Come first, get the little knowledge we give free, then you can go and try to get your entries and all that. So this was our first entry, whereby this we have this thing we said, like we said always, and we all say our first TP is the next swing where the buy side liquidity or the sell side liquidity is. Okay, so let's see what we have. Price, fair value gap, fair value gap. Okay, so let's go to minute 15 and we'll see what price was doing at minute 15. So this is my entry. This is the first sniper entry with take profit above, right? So I had that run. Now I waited to meet my boys and my team, at least so that we can be together, right? So price went, collected liquidity below and was going up. As price was going up, we had this liquidity. Okay, we had that liquidity, and you can see it is drawn by this one. So this was our entry. Okay, this was our entry. So doing the half price of it, let's see, it's a very small one. And also let's see that's the stop loss. Okay, stop loss. So let's see what we're supposed to do here. We look from the standard deviation, the stop loss, from the stop loss to the entry. Okay, if we have enough, 1:2, that was a 1:2. It's a good one, 1:5. Okay, so like we always say, guys, you remember our strategy. This is 1:3, but you can see this is the first TP, like we always do. Guys, remember what we do. You remember what happened here? This price gave us even 1:4, so it was more than the 1:3. So look here, this is 1:5. This count 1, 2, 3, 1:3. It hits here. Okay, okay. But most likely, price does this. I will add this on the tip. Guys, this is the retracement zone. -2 and -5, it is the retracement zone. So I do the half price of it. Okay, we do the half price of it because we are sure of what we are doing, because every conditions are met, right? So that is 1:3 plus. Okay. So I would like to mention something on this. For those, they, this is a VIP tip. We do this. This is what we do. Price entry, price bought, because this is the first TP because of saying hi. We close, we take some partials, whereby we just take very small partials. So sometimes can find it makes no big difference, because maybe you have a like $550 trade running profit, so you take 40, you leave for 10% running to your TP, the last TP, right? So that was our entry on when on Wednesday. So let's go now to the other Thursday and Fridays, but I don't. I will, like I said, I will do what we did. If that we did not take the trade, yeah, fine. So on Thursday, I think I did not do that. I did not. I'm not sure. I don't remember anything. Yeah, on Thursday I did not. I did not take this trade, but it was there. It was there, but I did not trade it because I think I had GBPUSD. This was not. There's something that did not confirm. So I was with GBPUSD. So I think okay, this is my thing. Also, I was so let me treat it. Let me delete this and start with. I will go a little fast. Okay, I will go a little fast weekly. So like we said, we see the weekly low. So we go to the daily and see. So this is the Friday, previous day. So on Monday we had no data. On Tuesday, what happened? So we were expecting price to come here, okay? But on Monday did not. So we had to wait and see what will happen. Price will do on Tuesday. If it will at least take Monday's liquidity, all go to another point of interest, whereby this is the Monday. So can you see Tuesday price took it? So let's see at each four if on Mondays there's something else there that could be our point of interest. Okay. So we collected this liquidity, whereby it is the weekly, previous day low, that is on a Monday. Okay. So at nothing, because you can see below here it is just this wing, and this week, as I said, something very important. We're going to get there later, right? So this is what we had. So waiting price to do its shit, right? Let's go to minute 15 and see if we can get an entry. This was so good. So our software confirmed, and let me go fast there. Those we've been doing sessions together, trading together, but also I do trade with you together. I do trade together with you because I do share my everything with you guys. And I would like to show you guys, the same things will repeat themselves but in a little different way. So let's tuamkeni, tumeamka, tumelala saa moja. Wapi? Saa moja. Saa nne. We had no news, my friends. Okay. Look here. Saa nne iko wapi? Saa nne. Saa nne ndio hii hapa. So, saa nne ndio hii, tulikuwa tumebaki na nini? Na hii liquidity ilikuwa ya Asian. So, if price, we know we bullish, so we open low, price was up, saa nne ndio hiyo tunaona in its low, so we had to take the Asian low also to confirm our what? Okay, so that was taken with the previous day's low. That's a confirmation. So let's see, after doing that, saa tano ndio hiyo. Let's looking for entry, because this GBPUSD from the confirmation of the software and all that, everything was good, right? So let's see. Saa tano ndio hiyo hapo, let me a minute. Saa tano, let's see, saa tano price did not open a 15-minute fair value gap. Maybe we missed, but for me it's different. Okay, the guys in my team, I'm doing also this video. It's a good one because we'll open more information to you. So you keep on waiting at minute 15, nothing is happening. Oh, but Vince is trading. Huh? So, but now you can see the reason. You know, I cannot put everything in your mind, in your head before you get the basics, right? So let me treat this like the last low. Okay. So price Satano happy. It is going bullish. Where? Look here. This was a one. This was no, I'm not supposed to use minute one. I'm supposed to use minute three. You cannot use minute one at that point because they swept the liquidity immediately, and our bullish was still buyers. Both were not still. It was still it. Let's say we missed it, but me from my side I was in. I will tell you why. So price went up without any favor lookup, made a bearish favor lookup. I don't need that. So I was waiting, if this, because I saw this, I was waiting to sweep also this low. Okay, because of this price did what they did, went up, down. So you can see here there's a favor lookup somewhere here. Okay, but I can tell you something. I consider a fair value gap that at least sweeps a high like this. If that momentum is in line of getting a liquidity, right? Or else it took liquidity below here. So if these candles could take this liquidity, oh, they did. Let me see. No, they do not take this liquidity. So I cannot consider that one, okay? So I have to consider a point like this. If that fair value gap is at this point, I consider it. This is lower time frame, guys. You have to be in, you have knowledge. So we're moving. So I was still yet waiting to see something, at least a sweep of liquidity. Then that leg will give me the entry. Okay, let's see. Price went up. This swept the low. This low was taken by this, so I was expecting to see something there, nothing. So already I'm still with this. At this leg, this is the low, my point of interest, because it is the move that took that liquidity. So to me, it is very strong. There's a lot of liquidity at this zone, so I'm looking for buys, right? So price now did it. Okay, did not give us an opportunity. Maybe I was waiting to see it below here, no, but did not. But now gave us a liquidity by a fair value gap, right? It's there. So let me this way. So this is the point that I was supposed to get in, whereby as I was waiting all this, can you see what happened? Price pushed to the time and price Takumi iko wapi? Ndio hii hapa. As I was waiting for me to take the sweeps, look here. Unajua kitu ni kitu. The same thing, I will repeat. What is this? This was London time, okay? In fact, this is a London low, okay? This is the London price, London low, right? This one, saa tisa. This is the London low. I was waiting at least to see come in here, okay, but did not come, right? Why? Because we took already the Asian session, Asian session liquidity, and also we have a previous confirmation that was the previous daily low, right? So at least that supports our trade, right? So this was Sakumi. There was no news and everything was positive. Like I said, guys, we can take our entry before what? When there is no news, we can take our entry at least earlier. That it can be a sniper entry. Now, my guys, wenye tunangoja ile masaa yetu, hakuna kitu itafanana na ile ingine. Then muitane na mkuje. Look here. Hii ni saa ngapi? Price went down, taking this liquidity, going up again now, created a new liquidity whereby, let me see saa 11. Ndio hiyo hapa. So there was this level lookup here. Again, look at this. and there was that one above there. So what else? Ni nini ingine mnataka kwa hii forex market? Hivyo. And we got the boy. We got the entry and market did. Let's now see the standard deviation thing, how what they did it played also. Let's see. I'm going back. I know I'm using lower time frame a lot. So 1:4. Let's go to other time frames and see. No, this is business. No jokes here. No jokes. And someone is outside there playing with your minds, right? Taking money from you without anything. I'd like now to show you after that Vincent did what else. Now let's go to min 15 people. My guys, I'm not, it's kind of, I'm exposing everything, right? Guys, come here. People, my people, we bullish and we've confirmed everything. At this time frame, entry, okay? Your take profit, look here. Look here. Your take profit. Why? Guys, you remember what we do? This liquidity, it's above, far away from our standard deviation. You can see, like I said, our first TP, this is our first TP, but it was almost close to, it was even already at our 2.2 -2, or at the middle of 2 -4 and 2.5, right? So this was a good one. So you bought here, price just moved straight. So you see importance of the sniper entry. See it? The importance of sniper entries. So the good thing in this market is to make money. Just imagine you enter here, in the next 15 minutes you are in profit, and the next 15 minutes you take profit. The same thing happened from the previous entries and the previous analysis. I'm not going to do much about this one. Okay, I don't want to do much about this one, but I got something here. It was positive. It opened going. This one was positive. I got the entry and I went in. So I'm done with this because I was already done with it. So I don't want to do more about this price. So for someone who was waiting for the distribution of the price, you know what you do? For those distribution of the price, if you had the break even, leave it running. This is a lot of pips. Even the other pairs does the same thing. So that's almost enough. If you can repeat that video for several times, this thing can sink. So I'm going now to the AUD USD. The reason, because it failed on Friday, but the other times we got it. We got it right. Yeah. So anything can happen. You can see the same analysis, same thing. Very simple, very simple. So let's go. I'm not going to delete anything. I will just have to hide them so that we can just check the chart. We were bullish. That is on Tuesday. So this was the previous week low. Okay, so let's go to daily and see what is there. So from Tuesday, where's the Tuesday? Tuesday is here. Monday. So our point of interest, let me now bring this up and show you. Point of interest, it's a weekly low. Let me see. Friday, weekly low, Friday. So on Monday, we took the weekly low, the previous day's low, what was on Friday. Market dropped down, hanging. Yeah. So on Tuesday, we were bullish. So we had to look for the entry here for a buy. Okay. For a buy. Then price on the Wednesdays, went to the weekly low, okay, whereby after we got this, price behaved. Even the software did not tell in the morning the AUD was even against us, so we could not go further for the. So I'm going fast about this AUD because I have a video in my channel, the previous video about the prediction of the NFP. I have analyzed everything, so I'm brushing some just to the end of it so that I can show why the price failed. So I was expecting to buy because we took the previous week low and we had this buy that was a confirmed one. So on Thursday, because of this, on Thursday we bought, okay, and we have it. I think we shared this together, and if you did not get it, I'm sorry about that. So you can see my analysis, everything is here. Liquidity, entry, we bought because it was aligning with us, our stuff. Asian low, yeah. So I'm going fast, little fast, because I would like to finish. This video is too long. So weekly low was taken. This one, that's his previous Thursday. Friday was taken on Wednesday. Thursday we bought. Okay. So on Friday, that is yesterday, why we failed. Remember my prediction about NFP? I said if price comes below here, I'm buying. If in good, and then I said if in good luck it goes even below here before news. I said before news, but before news it took the Asian low. Okay, it took the Asian low. Remember news came at the London overlap of London and New York. So it that has no issue because but the first thing that was the if that happened, the Asian law happened to be taken, I was going bullish, and I was expecting price to go more bullish, but failed. So let me finish so that I can show you why. Guys, I do tell you things happen in this forex market. Yes, I was in full margin. I bought to this liquidity. Can you see this? This tells me something. I knew even if news will go to that level, then might retrace, make a fair value gap, retrace, and buy. So if we were, it could go with us. If AUD could, at least my software could confirm, this could be our entry. We buy here, we continue going up, but it did not confirm. So we had only one software that did not confirm, and we did not get entry. Okay, so we had to sell. The market sold. We That was very serious, very serious. Now I would like to show you why here. What happened? What happened? Yeah. So what happened? So at that zone, let's go to higher time frame, guys. You should learn to follow charts. That's the reason why I do tell people go. Make sure you follow the chart, follow the chart, right? So look here, guys. You see the ankle is seated there with a lot of volume. Okay, with a lot of volume. Okay, this was this was very serious. Okay. The reason why I was holding market could react here is because price left this order block, was tapped, price did not sell to take even the previous, did not sell to take this previous candlestick low. If this price could take this, I could have a different view on this, right? So I knew price might come and be rejected at this zone, at least to take all this liquidity below here, okay, and continue going up, okay. But now you can see I was holding it, and that was our TP4. That was the TP for NFP. Even the NFP, when you did the full margin, that spike, first spike was enough of profit. So look, price reacted exactly at that place. Just look. Yeah. Then I saw, I saw from my side, I saw this liquidity. This is the order block. Let's now do this. This is the order block, and this is liquidity here. Why I say liquidity? And market tends to take liquidity like this, it reverses. Then I saw the market did not, our software did not confirm, and this happened. I saw this rejection. Ha, I knew things are changing. So I was like in the middle of, can I go bearish? But if I take it and post to my students, it will look funny, like. But I said, because I'm already in profit, I won't take it. But I wanted to go. I wanted to go short. So it's good when you come here in my mentorship, all these things will be will come through them, and you'll be at a point of seeing market with your naked eyes. You can come up with decision because it's about price and time. So that was the entry. This was the Viava lookup. The reason why you can see this is a Viava lookup. Price went inside this and continued. Guys, those in my side of mentorship, they can confirm. AUD was at was showing sales. To mean if you were waiting for sales, you had to wait price to take some serious liquidity because this high is the one made the market to break this low. This is a strong low. So to mean liquidity is here. So market was supposed to tap here, bah, then Achakitu should get dropped. So now you understand the reason why, guys, I did not go bullish. I did not take the trade. We did not get an opportunity, and I said in my group. So guys, I do guide you each and every time. Welcome to my sessions. It's very expensive. Without 50,000, there's no mentorship. In installments, paid in paid twice, and the third one you finish it. So whoever is willing, but I don't call people to come for my mentorship. It's only for who is interested. I don't want nonsense. Guys, I don't entertain nonsense. I don't entertain nonsense. Yeah, I'm not here to, I cannot give this information for free. I'm sorry. I cannot. Guys, I cannot. Yes, I can show you here each and everything here. Look, everything is clear, very smart. But you should know how did I know that? Why, how can I know that Audi will buy, will sell, NFP will buy? These are such kind of information. Hmm? A minute. Acha nimalize kazi na kuongelesha sahi tu. So this is what we had. Okay. So guys, this video looks long. Okay. It is 58 minutes, 1 hour video. So will allow me, I will stop this, then I'm going to do another video for the weekly buyers, what we will be expecting and how price might play. Okay. So I will do like, I'll do my, for my record, I'll pick like 2. Let me pick 3 because if you fail to get one from one side, you get the other side, right? So I will see. I'll pick 2 or 3. It will depend with the data, not a bad one by the way this week. So thank you. Let's meet to the next video. Remember to subscribe, share to your friends. Yeah, join also the groups, and I'm sure you're going to get the help on this forex trading. This Chat Labs. See you.